Good morning, friends. Spirit wants us to bring a gentle touch to all situations in your life. It's time for fun now in your life. We are still dealing with a stubborn, aggressive person, but we've laid our foundations for our lives and we're moving forward now. And there's bright things coming your way. The Spirit says there is a protective charm that will bring you safety and peace. And they want you to see the light within yourself and everyone else. You must learn from the past. We've had muddled and unclear thinking, but we're going to get good advice from a wise person. We have already received that advice. We're getting stronger within ourselves every day. And although things in the world are coming to full circle, there are new opportunities opening up for us. We must clear out the clutter as far as our careers go. We've been on a journey, either physically or mentally, and something is coming our way, news or situation is coming our way fast, and it's going to give us basic overall good news. They say we must lay solid foundations for ourselves as far as the dealing with the blonde, grey, or white headed man. There is a situation in the balance that requires careful handling, but trust your inner self. There's going to be balance and a rise in the money so that you can help others. Take a leap of faith. There is happiness and good things coming your way. You've let go of so much crap in your life and you've got the upper hand now. They say you are starting to see the big picture. Trust the great mystery. You are going to get some form of news very soon, and you must be careful of greed. This news is going to bring money improvements, and more money is coming your way. It's going to bring you the balance that you always wanted for yourself. Your miracles are endless, and family wishes are going to come true. These changes are going to be for the better in your life, and you're going to have peace of mind and in all areas, in your monies and your home and everything around you. These days of being weighed down with problems is over. Your loved ones want you to communicate with them and your angels. You must open your arms to receive. And they say, reach for the stars. You deserve only the best. Have a lovely day, everybody. I love you all.